Welcome back. Today we're installing an extension for the rear light. Goes something like this. Now I have to remove this one, of course, to install it properly, and we're gonna have to connect it. I'm gonna have to connect these to the positive and to the negative. Okay, so to connect this, I'm gonna need to connect the positive to the positive, that's the red, to the blue. And black to black. It looks very nice without the light, without taking the light into consideration, because this is carbon fiber, and I've always thought that the rear of the Yamaha Nmax is a little bit inclined, and this gives it a sharper end. And there we go. This is the sharp look I'm talking about. It's no longer inclined. So I'm gonna wait a little bit for nighttime and see how it looks at night. Absolutely amazing. I love it, and I know that the camera is really bad at night. However, I love this. The light is very sharp. It's sharper than the tail lamp, and yeah, awesome. This video is sponsored by Tofini Motor. This extension costs $78. As always, I've left you the link in the description below. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you later.